up, YouTube? I'm back, and today I'm showing you all some 3D printed dioramas. Been doing dioramas for years, and I never thought that dioramas would end up being 3D printed. And this one here comes from Ken, my buddy Ken, and he goes by the name of Doggat Joe's on Facebook. You can easily look him up. He's on Facebook, and you can see he's doing some amazing work. Let's get in close on it. Get these tables. Look amazing. They're really nice. They fold up perfectly. The diorama is amazing. Stairs. The figure actually can go up the stairs. Then put one on there. As you can see. Stairs look great. And this diorama is huge, as you can see. And it breaks down. I'm talking about it breaks down to being like a little bitty thin box. Like, see, when you make dioramas, I've always had problems storing them. But with this thing breaks down to a little bitty thin box, and yeah, works out perfect. You can put all this stuff, with everything on here breaks down, and you can put it all in a box. And there's so much potential with this, so much, man. Like the stairs, and then you can add on to this too. You just keep adding on to it. Yeah, I think you can print them any color you want. Table is perfect. I'm sorry, but I had to go back, add this to the video. How good the figure look on the stairs, going up and down the stairs. Amazing work, man. Really does some really good work. Just had to add that in.